A lot of you know what dash caps are. Pieces of plastic, flimsy, they melt in the sun. Not all that great for a car where you just need a notch above the lowest, but maybe not ready for a full teardown restoration. So what we've been developing over years now is a soft cap. It is as easy to install as any other cap. We use all of the materials that we use here in our shop to restore dashes. It has the padding, our vacuum form vinyl. You go from this to this. And you have more of that original dash look, feel. So when you reach out, feeling the urge to grab a nice soft pad, you got it right there for you, and it looks great.